Figlio
is the word for son in Italian. It can also refer more generically to a child if the sex is unknown, as in the case of an unborn child, for example.
figlio,
The plural
figli,
can mean either sons when talking about multiple male children, or children when talking about a mixed group of sons and daughters. The feminine equivalent,
figlia,
plural,
figlie,
is the word for daughter.
nonostante io abbia 7 figlie e un figlio, voglio bene a tutti i miei figli allo stesso modo.
Although I have 7 daughters and 1 son, I love all my children equally. Some different kinds of figli include
Figlio unico,
only child,
figlio naturale,
natural born son,
figlio adottivo,
adoptive son,
figlio illegittimo,
illegitimate son,
figlio dell'amore,
love child,
figlio della provetta,
test tube baby,
figlio di Dio,
the son of God,
figliuol prodigo.
prodigal son. By extension, figlio can also function as a term of endearment, used by an older man towards a boy or a young man. It's similar to the familiar forms of address, my dear boy, son, or sonny in English, and is more or less interchangeable with the affectionate term
Figliolo. Beh, figlio mio, la vita è piena di ostacoli, ma non ti devi arrendere.
well, my boy, life is full of obstacles, but you mustn't give up. Just as in English, figlio and figlia can be used for a person you care about, even if you're not related to them.
Gli voglio bene come un figlio.
I love him like a son.
Il maestro ci tratta sempre come figli.
The teacher treats us as if we were his children. In a figurative sense, figlio can describe someone who's the product of the context from which they derive. A few commonly used examples include
Figlio d'arte,
an artist who comes from an artistic family, literally, son of art.
figlio dei fiori,
Hippie, literally, son of flowers.
figlio del proprio tempo,
The product of one's time.
figlio del popolo,
A child of humble origins, literally, son of the people.
figlio di papà,
Literally, son of dad, refers to a young man who leads a comfortable life or lives by benefiting from the economic or social position of his father, whereas
figlio di mamma,
literally son of mother, is a weak man who's dependent on his mother despite being an adult.
figlio di nessuno,
Literally son of no one, means orphan, or a child who's neglected by his parents. Similarly,
figlio della strada,
literally son of the street, is a child who grows up alone on the streets.
figlio della serva,
Literally son of the servant, is a person who nobody pays attention to. Below are a few common verbs you'll often see used with figlio:
aspettare un figlio,
to be expecting a child,
tirare su i figli,
to raise children,
avere, fare un figlio.
to have a child.
Vuole fare un figlio prima di compiere 40 anni.
She wants to have a child before she turns 40. If you attend an Italian wedding, you may well hear one of the guests shout out,
Auguri e figli maschi.
which means best wishes and may your offspring be male. Although it's now said in jest, the undertones were probably more serious at a time when sons were in charge of working and bringing money home to the family, and daughters remained at home until marriage.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.